love you, baby, put it down on me.
Alright guys, hey, I'm back with another video here. I will be preparing some lip gloss for the very first time. So I did buy a kit from Amazon. I also bought the gel, some of the oils and pigments as well, but I'm only going to do I believe a few colors in this. Taking out all my supplies, getting ready. So I did watch a few YouTube videos before doing this mixture, just to make sure, like, so there's a few, you need the base obviously, and then you can use other things that you want in it, so you can mix your, like, let's say you just want almond oil or coconut oil or just any basic oil you could choose. There's different types of oils, like a rosemary, there's, I want to say an almond, did I say almond oil? So almond oil, coconut oil, rosemary, I bought those. And I also bought another type of oil, and so here I'm just gonna use the basics. I didn't make it anything special on this one, just wanted to get very rich colors. So I have a purple, I do have a red, and then I also will be doing a deep maroon type of color, but I just wanted to keep it simple. I didn't even add a flavor in here, which I do have. I didn't add a scent, which that's something else you could do. I didn't add any of those little gems, the little charms, you could say, that people put in there. I didn't do any of that stuff. I just kept it basic. And again, you can find everything you need on, you could look on AliExpress, you can look on Amazon. There also is a site for the gel, the base gel. Alright, so TKB is the place that a lot of people get their things from. I also did get my items from there, but this one that I'm using, I think it was like a sample size or something like that. This like a 5 ouncer. It was small. I did get the bigger one. The bigger one is usually about about $20. I didn't get the, I want to say it's 20 ounces, but I could be wrong. I know the little one is like 3 ounce or 5 ounce or something like that. I'm looking real quick to see on the TKB site. Oh, maybe it's a 15 ounce. Because once you get past the size that I got, so there's this size, which is a little one, so the 5 ounce is the one I have. I did buy the 15 ounce. The 3 pound one is that's the one that a lot of people get. So I just got everything to start out. I wasn't planning on, I wanted to try it, because you know, you'll see if you do it long term or short term. But to be honest, this process of lip gloss making was tedious, so you have to really like making stuff. I like the color pigment. It's pretty strong. It's a good color, purple. So is the red. I like the pigments they have are awesome. So I have two kinds. I have the one I got from the kit that was from Amazon, and then I have the one that I got from TKB. And when I tell you, the colors are rich and nothing opaque about it. Like, you can even use it for eyeshadow. It's really, really a good color. I love it. I did want to try a set they had that was sort of skin tone colors. So it's like a brown and pinks and peaches. I did want to do those because those are actually popular colors, but I never got past the set that I'm mixing up here. I mixed up probably about 20 to 30 tubes in this video here. And alright guys, hey, I'm back with another video. See, kept it basic. Let me get a little groove going. Yeah, see, there's my little red. It's messy as heck too, so I tried to stay cleaning up throughout it. So I didn't want that to stain. Even though my table's black, I did not want it to stain because it's like really greasy, and it takes a minute to get out. And gotta wear an apron or just not get it on your clothes. I'm wearing something that is my chill outfit, so I was okay with that. Do not get dressed up and make lip gloss. Do not do it. So here's my pinky color that I made. I actually love this color. I actually use this myself. And then I did make a really deep purple. I did make a maroon, but I don't believe I showcased it in any of the videos. So, but thanks for watching me go along this journey. I will probably add some music to the rest of this because I'm sure y'all don't want to hear me yapping about a process. But it was easier than I thought, just more tedious than I thought. So like, you can achieve the color, the thickness that you want. You can achieve, you know, a lot with your mixing and whatever you put in it. So if you want, like, if I put some glitter in that purple, that would have been so cute, or the pink. But I didn't want to add to the mess I was already making, and I make it look like I didn't make a mess, but I cleaned along the way. But I see why people get those big machines, the metal machines to make the lip gloss, because literally you can make all of it in the size of whatever, you know, ounce of the machine that you get. But it probably would be a lot easier to do it because you can make a lot more at once. And I also bought these tubes and really just used them for this this video that I made these lip glosses with, and I did sell some as well, but yeah, I haven't made any more. I literally just have the stuff just sitting. But what I'd like to do is probably make a little kit with the remaining things that I have and just sell it off as a kit, because I can make some of those as well. But someone will have to say if they're interested, or I'll probably just do it and show people that this is what I did with the remaining things that I don't use. I do use some of the supplies for other things, but just the point of buying it all and not using it, it's bothersome. It's just a little bothersome. So anyhow, thank you all for joining me for this wonderful time of making lip gloss. Hopefully I was able to show someone that is not hard at all. You just have to have patience, which I usually have patience. It's the mess. I can't do it. The mess just, and I tried different tips. So a suggestion that I saw in another video was to use like those mustard and ketchup bottles, and yeah, that's way easier than what I'm doing in this thing. That probably didn't help with the mess, but I got it done. I got it done. So what I would like to do, hopefully in the future, is try to make eyeshadow. eyeshadow will be my. It'll be a trial. It'll be definitely a trial, because if it's as messy as this was, it'll be a no. But I would love to come up with some really fabulous colors. I'm feeling orange and purple just right now, like not together, but unless I do some abstract stuff with my photos or something. But I like that this TKB, you can use these pigments and things for multiple items. It's not just for lip gloss. So if you choose to make eyeshadow or lipstick, for that matter, you can make lipstick as well. And I would have to get some machines, because I'm not cut out for this part. See, look, my drainage is so off. It was just too messy for me. Now if I were to try it again, big if, I would use a couple of different supplies and see if that will make it easier to do. But in saying I created and did my own lip gloss, I did it. I really did. And now I know why little girls and other little ladies like to make it, because if you got the knack for it, you got the knack for it. The colors that you can come up with is probably one of the funnest part, because you can do your own thing. You don't got to be like nobody else's. That's the part that I like. But thank you for watching. I will see how much of this leaves some time for you guys to listen to some really cool music and close out this bad boy. And stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.
Swaggiest motherfucker you ever met. Man, I bet if I take you home, I get you wet. You a cool little mama, bet you won't forget. Doce babele mohoya saun. I'm here to let you know that you fucking with a goon. Savage but classy, too mild but nasty. That's what I like. Who playing with me, baby? Let's in the night. Who playing with me, baby? Let's in the night. Sere bamba, be bomb. 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 I don't wanna keep waiting, taste the victory. Now baby got a tight little hold on me. You drive me crazy when you tell me gotta wait a bit. Now tell me baby, is you really feeling me? I'm waiting patiently, it's killing me softly, cause I'm infatuated with you. Now I can't wait till I get you. I'ma eat you like a beast, have you telling stories. I'ma put it down on you, you ain't gotta worry. Dame sexy, me tell me calma. You gon' see, then you really gon' fuck with me. You gon' see, then you really gon' fuck with me. Sere bamba, be bomb. 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 Te necesito, you a freak, I'm a beast. 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 Sere bamba, be bomb. 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 I don't mean to come off strong, but baby, you got me. But please don't take it wrong. I see you not happy. I can change all that. Just hit me back. You got my number. You can call me when you want. I can take it all away. You won't feel no pain, baby girl, stop playing. I'm already on my way. He don't deserve no time of day. I'm ready, so let's play. I don't know how I feel inside. Lil' mama got me feeling right. Think she got me stuck up on this love potion. Tell me, is you down and all? Cause you got me stuck in all. Tell your man you done, that's all. I don't know how I feel inside. Lil' mama got me feeling right. Think she got me stuck up on this love potion. Tell me, is you down and all? Cause you got me stuck in all. Tell your man you done, that's all. Let's roll. I'm a smooth operator, baby, gon' pick up your phone. I'll soon see you later, tell your nigga ain't coming home. You got me stuck on you, so baby, what's the move? I don't know what happened, but now I'm in the mood. Let's get sexy, baby, gon' text me your Addy, baby. Let's do something extra, baby, now I gotta go. Let's get sexy, baby, gon' text me your Addy, baby. Let's do something extra, baby, now I gotta go. I'm just a phone call away from you. Baby, can you stop playing? You got me sitting here waiting for you all night. I'll do it though. I don't know how I feel inside. Lil' mama got me feeling right. Think she got me stuck up on this love potion. Tell me, is you down and all? Cause you got me stuck in all. Tell your man you done, that's all. I don't know how I feel inside. Lil' mama got me feeling right. Think she got me stuck up on this love potion. Tell me, is you down and all? Cause you got me stuck in all. Tell your man you done, that's all. Let's roll. Yeah. Okay.
Stay down, stay down.